Hello once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up signature in your Gmail. It is important that when we send email that the recipients will find our email professional, especially when you are looking for a job, when you are sending email to some authorities. When they open your email and see signature there, they take it more seriously than when there is no signature. And to set up this signature is very easy in Gmail. All you need to do is to go to where it says settings. Just click on the gear. Click where it says see all settings. Then scroll down. You are going to find where it says a signature. Here it is. You click create new and give your signature a name. I will just call it signature. You click create. So what you have to do now is to add all the information that you want your signature to have. You have your name, you could have your address, you could have your phone number, you could have your social media, and whatever it is that you want to add there. If you want, you can actually just make your signature to look whichever way you want it to look. We can add some color, change the font if we wanted. Once you are done, there are other settings below which you can consider. If it is for new email users, you can change this to signature. If you want it on reply and forward use, you can also set this one to signature. There are also other settings here, as you can see. You can just go through it and see if they are what you want. After that, remember to scroll down and click Save Changes. This is important, otherwise your settings wouldn't save. So now, whenever you click on Compose, you are going to find your signature below. That's how you can set up signature in your Gmail. I hope this has been helpful. If so, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.